measuring capacity.
Capacity is measured in terms of liters and milliliters. Liter is the standard unit for measuring the capacity of a container. We use the symbol L for liter and ml for milliliter. Milliliter is used to measure small capacities such as cough syrup, juice box, etc. And liter is used to measure large capacities such as oil, water, milk, etc. Standard measures we use in our daily life. Standard containers to measure oil and petrol. 50 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 500 milliliters, 1 liter or 1000 milliliters. Standard containers to measure milk. 50 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 500 milliliters, 1 liter or 1000 milliliters. Relation between liters and milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter.
Conversion of units of capacity.
We know about different units of capacity. For doing mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we have to convert them into same units. So let us learn conversion of units of capacity. Liters into milliliters. To convert liters into milliliters, multiply liters by 1000. Example, convert 2 liters into milliliters. Solution. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So, 2 liters is equal to 2 multiplied by 1000 milliliters. We will get 2000 milliliters. Liters and milliliters into milliliters. To convert liters and milliliters into milliliters, multiply liters by 1000 and add to milliliters. Example, convert 5 liters 650 milliliters into milliliters. Solution. 5 liters 650 milliliters, which is equal to, inside the bracket, 5 multiplied by 1000 milliliters plus 650 milliliters, which is equal to 5000 milliliters plus 650 milliliters is equal to 5650 milliliters. Milliliters into liters. To change milliliters into liters and milliliters, divide milliliters by 1000. Quotient is higher unit and remainder is the lower unit. Example, convert 6000 milliliters into liters. Solution. Divide 6000 milliliters by 1000 liters, which is equal to 6 liters.
Addition and subtraction of liters and milliliters.
Example, add 5 liters 270 milliliters and 8 liters 385 milliliters. Solution. Method. Number 1. Arrange the numbers in columns of liters and milliliters. Number 2. First add milliliters. Number 3. Then add liters. Thus, answer is 13 liters and 655 milliliters. Example, subtract 5 liters 245 milliliters from 8 liters 475 milliliters. Solution. Number 1. Arrange the given numbers in the columns of liters and milliliters. Number 2. Subtract milliliters. Number 3. Then subtract liters. Thus the answer is 3 liters 230 milliliters.
Multiplication and division of liters and milliliters.
Example, 26 liters 203 milliliters by 5. Solution. First we will multiply 5 by 203 milliliters, which is equal to 015 milliliters. 1 will be carried forward to the liters. Then we will multiply 5 by 26 liters, which is equal to 131 liters. So 26 liters 203 milliliters multiplied by 5 is equal to 131 liters 15 milliliters. Example: divide 42 liters 840 milliliters by 6. Solution: first divide 42 by 6, which is equal to 7. Then 840 milliliters divide by 6, which is equal to 140 milliliters. So 42 liters 840 milliliters divided by 6 is equal to 7 liters 140 milliliters.